Who taught you how to play it? You won it. Who taught you? Oh my God, you gonna tell Johnny when he get home?
Yeah. Yes, I did it.
You did it.
Yeah. I see I took it.
Oh, you on the second level.
To the left and right.
Remember, I told you how to do the left and right. See? You got it. Jump. Right. Go over there. Go. Ooh. Jump. You gotta hold it up. So you gotta hold it up some. You gotta hold the remote up. You can't hold it down.
Tilting the Wii remote to the left and right.